How to remove Copilot from Windows 11 and Windows 10. This guide works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you're someone who doesn't want Copilot on your computer and would like to remove the application along with its related components from Windows 11, here's a simple tutorial showing you how to delete it. These steps also work for Windows 10. If Copilot isn't something you want on your computer, here's the removal process. First, open your Settings menu. If you're unsure where to find it, simply use the search function. Next, navigate to Apps, then select Installed Apps. Make sure the alphabetical sorting option is turned on if it isn't already. This makes finding the application much simpler. Scroll down to the section starting with the letter C. You'll find Copilot listed there. On the right side, you'll see a three-dot menu button. Click on it and choose Uninstall. The program and its associated data will be removed when you click the Uninstall button, which will delete it from your computer. My suggestion would be to restart your computer afterward to ensure any remaining traces in memory and temporary storage are completely cleared after removing the application. One important thing to note, when you uninstall the Copilot program, if you had it attached to your taskbar, which I don't, that icon will disappear from the taskbar. Additionally, if you open File Explorer and check your right-click menu, the Copilot option will also be gone from the context menu after it's been removed. There's a way to reinstall it if needed. Just so you know, Copilot is available for download and installation through the Microsoft Store if you decide to add it back to your computer later on. This applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So that's a quick and straightforward explanation of how you can remove the Copilot application if you prefer not to have it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. That's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. See you in the next video.